Hey guys, and today we're going to rent a new vehicle. Why? Because I don't have enough for my company, so I decided to use my brand new W900. So everything is connected. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get right to it. So now I got my flatbed trailer, and now we are going to this one. Okay. Lee. I think there it is. It's a 1980s Mack charcoal. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's a Peterbilt. So now, what I'm about to do is try to go get. I just paid $8,000 on that truck too. I gotta toggle the ramps, and now. So now, alright. I think it's sturdy, I think. Alright, I think it's loaded. So now, what I'm about to do is try to go home. God bless me. Okay, so now I'm about to make a turn. So now there we go. So now we gotta pass through a bridge. So there it is. So this is what I need. So now I'm going to the. Oh god, oh god. Oh my god. We will get it clean now. That's my Discord notification. At least I need to get a car wash. My entire truck is dirty because we went to the wrong one because come on. Come on, I need. Alright. Alright, so now. So I need is to go to the truck wash. So now. We're getting unloaded. So we're now gonna get this unloaded after. And now it's time to go to the truck wash because my truck is kind of dirty because of the dirt and ruts. So I'm gonna go get it clean. I think there's a car wash nearby. Let's go here. Also now, this way. Oh god. I think there it is. Oh, we got the Christmas tree. Alright, so I'm gonna get clean. It's automatic. Okay. After it's done, so now we are going back home. Now, after I just took a wash, so now, oh god. Alright, so now, okay, so now I'm gonna go park my truck here. Alright, so that's the trailer. Now, right, so now. Alright. It's not broken, I think. Which is kinda cool. Right. Right, guys, so 8 p.m. 2021. That's all now. Goodbye.